Benchmark indexes in the Wall Street today paired almost all of their gains for a very lackluster close. In fact, what looked like a very promising start above the 95.50 mark finally ended with a whimper, and we closed in just surfacing at that 9500 level. Avan Dubash, my colleague, joins in with more details on what really kept the markets under pressure today. Avan?
Well, you had lots of hopes, as you said, on expiry initially, but that just fizzled out by the time we shut shop. So just about clutching on to the 9,500 mark, and the Sensex too reversed all of those early morning gains to end with a whimper higher by just about 23 points at 30,800 thereabouts. The broader end of the market for the most part of the day outperformed, but then when it came to close, they too gave up some of their gains and ended with just about a flat move with a positive bias. Big casualties included the PSU banking lot today. Pharmaceuticals didn't budge. It was flat for the Nifty bank, and even autos were in the red. On the upside though, real estate as well as metals managed to gain, and the FMCG sector contributed. You did have some of the big drags in the form of a Kotak Mahindra Bank, Sun Pharma, Reliance Industries weighed down on the index, ONGC, ACC, HUL was another big drag. Tata Motors as well didn't contribute at all, and SBI too was leading the PSU banking stocks lower. Some of the newsmakers today definitely stood out. Axis Bank was the top gainer on the Nifty on account of some of those comments coming in from the management. You had an Interglobe Aviation envisaging interest to pick up stake in Air India, and that stock was in focus. Jayaprakash Associates, and it's been a 50% plus gain in the last 7 days or so. Today was no exception on account of the deal contours with Ultratech Cement finally being declared. Care Ratings active on the back of the block deal. JSW Steel declared some fundraising plans, and the stock was in the news. Lots of drags from the broader end of the market. The likes of Page Industries, Havells, PFC, Fortis Healthcare, OBC, all of those lost out. Something like Cox and Kings as well dragged its feet. Some of the stocks that stood out from the broader end of the market included Venky's India, double-digit gains. Reliance Communications was in the green. TVS Motor and even Shoppers Stop had a pretty phenomenal close. On the frontliners, the likes of the metal stocks stood out. So Vedanta and Tata Steel had a good run. ICICI Bank was a smart newsmaker as well. BPCL, Bharti Airtel and ITC too supported. But for the series gone by, it's been a bit disappointing. Volumes were very hectic, but for a close, it was just with a whimper.
Yes, it sure was. Quite a disappointing series at that. What looked like a 9,700 start finally closed just about defending 9,500.